Can TCL Roku TV connect to Alexa? Yes. TCL Roku TVs can connect to Alexa, allowing voice control for various functions like turning the TV on, off, adjusting volume, launching apps, and switching inputs. However, since Roku TVs do not have built-in Alexa support, you must link your Roku account to the Alexa app and use an Alexa-enabled device like an Amazon Echo or Echo Dot. 1. Setting up Alexa with TCL Roku TV. To connect your TCL Roku TV to Alexa, follow these steps. Step 1. Ensure your TCL Roku TV and Alexa device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Install the Roku mobile app and sign in with your Roku account. Step 3. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone or tablet. Step 4. Go to More, then Skills and Games and search for Roku. Step 5. Select Enable to use and sign in with your Roku credentials. Step 6. After linking your Roku account, tap Discover Devices to find your TCL Roku TV. Step 7. Assign your TV to a specific room and complete the setup. 2. Alexa commands for TCL Roku TV. Once connected, you can control your TCL Roku TV using Alexa voice commands, such as Alexa, turn on off the Roku TV. Alexa, launch YouTube on Roku. Alexa, pause play on Roku. Alexa, turn up down the volume on Roku. Alexa, switch to HDMI 1 on Roku. Alexa, mute unmute Roku TV. 3. Troubleshooting Alexa connection issues. If Alexa does not recognize your TCL Roku TV, try these solutions. Ensure Roku TV is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Check that your Roku account is linked in the Alexa app. Re-enable the Roku skill by going to Skills and Games, then Roku, then Disable, then enabling it again. Ensure Fast TV Start is enabled in Roku Settings, then System, then Power, then Fast TV Start. Restart your Alexa device and TCL Roku TV, then try reconnecting. 4th, alternative ways to control TCL Roku TV with Alexa. If Alexa is not working with your TCL Roku TV, you can try using the Roku mobile app for voice commands instead of Alexa, connecting your TCL Roku TV to a Fire Stick, which has built-in Alexa compatibility, using a smart universal remote that supports Alexa voice control. TCL Roku TVs can connect to Alexa, but they require linking through the Roku skill in the Alexa app. Once set up, you can use voice commands to control power, volume, playback, and app launching with an Alexa-enabled device.